be test fitting some new splitters and front lips. So this is a new splitter from Flow Design. They're made in Australia. That's upside down, but it says it's made in Australia. And this is made specifically for the facelift bumper, the 2017 and newer 8.6s. They also have a version made for the 2013, 2016 FRS before the facelift bumper. And they also have a version just like this without these support rods. So this one comes with these little support rods for the splitter, which is cool, but if you're not into that, you can get one without. So I'm gonna install this one here by myself. I'm gonna mock it up to give you guys a look on what it looks like. And there's two holes here that use the factory hardware. So I'm gonna mock that up. The rest of them you're supposed to drill, but I'm not gonna drill them because we're gonna end up with a million holes because we test a lot of splitters on this bumper. So here we go. Okay, so this is what it looked like when it's mocked up. It'll probably sit a hair higher once all the holes have been drilled and all the hardware's been installed. But the splitter itself contours really nicely with this bumper. This bit that comes out, it also comes out, and then it kind of sucks back in the middle and then comes back out. Really sweet. It fits pretty flush with the ends of the bumper. It goes all the way back to like where this splash shield kind of gets lower here. And it's supposed to have these rods that get installed. So you'd put this on, you'd probably drill somewhere around there to get this guy in there. And the same for this side. And what these rods do is prevent the splitter from bending down when it's creating some downforce. So this will hold it right up. It's a little flexible here, but that's okay because all it's doing is pulling up so this splitter doesn't fall down. Okay, we're gonna take a quick break from the 8.6 with the splitters and check out what's going on with the Time Attack car. So a couple weekends ago, this car was out Detroit area doing the speed ring Time Attack race, and the injector got stuck open, which kind of like ruined the race day. I think it got like 3 to 6 laps kind of, and it had some overheating problems. So they removed the radiator shroud to allow more airflow in here, and then they put all new injectors in here. This is a new turbo blanket. Eric was digging into the car, making sure that like the timing chain and everything was all right, and he took it all apart and it was fine. So there's a potential that the rod is bent, but we won't know until we start it up, which should happen like in an hour or two whenever Eric's finished putting everything back together. So that's pretty cool. If this does run, we'll go to Gridlife round 5. That's this weekend, which means I'll be leaving tomorrow if it does, but we won't know for an hour, so stay tuned. Okay, we made it about 30 feet before something went wrong.
I think it trashed the O2 sensor when it was fucking spitting water out of the exhaust. Box, the empty bin.
Alright, so we successfully made it outside before it broke. But before we even got outside, since that fuel injector got stuck open a long time ago, and since they've replaced the with new injectors, there's still a whole bunch of fuel in the manifold. So when they turned it on, I unfortunately didn't get this clip, but it just shot a bunch of fuel right out of the exhaust, and it got everywhere. And Yeah, so that destroyed this O2 sensor. So this guy is done for. So right now, they're putting in a new one, and they're actually doing they're rewiring the harness so it's easier in case this ever happens again. I think that's what they're doing, but they cut this one off and they're soldering an entirely new harness onto this that's longer. So that's what's happening. So as you guys just saw, obviously this thing freaking shreds. It's awesome, it's loud, it's fast. It's actually not on full boost settings yet. Don't know if they're gonna turn that up at the track now or they're gonna run it safe. Hopefully it won't have overheating problems since at Gingerman Raceway it's gonna be really raining and wet all weekend, which kind of sucks, but maybe that'll be more beneficial for the car. We got some rain tires, so we should be covered for traction. By the time this is uploaded, you will be on the way to the track or close to the track by then. If you're gonna be out there, come by and say hello, check out the car that hopefully is still working. Fingers crossed that everything goes smoothly. I still have to install, test fit the BRZ lips. We got some new BRZ lips for the 2017 cars. I didn't have any time because I was filming this thing, so we'll show that later on. Let me know if you guys really want to see that down in the comment section below. Also, if you have more ideas for Tech Tip Tuesdays, the last vlog, you guys had some really good ideas. If you have some more, pop them out there in the comment section, and that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh no, I did it on the wrong one. Where's the hole at? Come on. Whoops.